Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your device and VPN app so Zepeto sees a stable connection. First, sign into your chosen VPN and pick a nearby server for lower latency. This reduces lag and keeps chat stable. Once done, enable the VPN to run in the background and grant any required permissions like location or network access. Make sure Zepeto is closed before switching the VPN so the app establishes a session under the new IP address when you open it. You now connect and fine-tune settings for best results. Pick a server country that aligns with the content or friends you want to access. Closer servers usually mean faster performance. If you experience drops, switch protocol between UDP for speed or TCP for reliability. After connecting the VPN, force-stop Zepeto and clear a small cache if necessary so the app re-authenticates under the VPN IP address. This prevents mixed connection errors and ensures your session uses the VPN tunnel consistently. You finish by verifying everything works and knowing one quick fix. Open Zepeto and test messaging, avatar uploads, and any in-app purchases to confirm the VPN didn't block essential services. If you hit login or store errors, first toggle the VPN off and back on, then switch servers. Often the session needs a fresh IP. If problems persist, clear the app data or reinstall after backing up. Only then contact VPN or Zepeto support with logs for further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.